Hi students, welcomes you all. This is standard 11 max. In that we are going to discuss about example 1.6. Here they have given that two sets have m and k elements. Okay, so ரெண்டு செட்ஸ்ல வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா என்னென்ன எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா ஒரு செட்ல வந்து m எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, இன்னொரு செட்ல வந்து k எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. If the total number of subsets of the first set is 112 more than that of the second set, then find the values of m and k. Like that they have given the question. Okay, when we are solving the sum, we can read the question again. So first what they have given, two sets have m and k elements. Okay, so first set I can consider as A. Okay, so that the first set A has how many elements? M elements. So that n of A I can consider as m elements. Similar to that, n of B I can consider it as k elements. Like that I can take. Then next condition what they have given, if the total number of subsets of the first set. Okay, so here they are mentioning the subsets so that I can take the subset of first and second set. Therefore n of p of A which is equal to 2 power m, which means subset of A is 2 power m and subset of B is 2 power k. Like that we may get. Now we can continue the condition. If the total number of subsets of the first set, what is the first set? Subset of the first set is 2 power m is 112 more than in the sense we have to put plus, more than that of second set. Second set in the sense second subset, which is nothing but 2 power k. Okay, so now what should I do means I can take this element to here, so that plus 2 power k will come this side, means minus 2 power k. So 2 power m minus 2 power k, like that we may get, which is equal to 112. Now what should I do means I can take 2 power k as common, right? So if I take 2 power a as common, therefore it will become 2 power m minus k and minus 1. ஏன்னா நம்ம 2 power k வெளியே எடுத்துட்டோம்ல, so அப்ப இந்த first element வந்து இப்படி மாறிடும், which is equal to 112. Okay, so now I have to take the prime factorization of this 112, so that it will become 112. First 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, then 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, then 2 1s are and 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so this statement I can write as it is. So 2 power k is equal to 2 power k into 2 power m minus k minus 1, which is equal to this 112. I can write it as 2 power 4 into 7. Like that I can write. Okay, now I can compare these factors to here. This 2 power 2 power k I can compare with 2 power 4, right? So 2 power k which is equal to 2 power 4. Therefore the value of k is 4, right? Similar to that I can take this factor, compare with this factor to here, so that 2 power m minus k which is equal to 7. Here we have already know the value of k is nothing but 4, so I can replace here. So 2 power m minus 4 which is equal to 7. Sorry, I made the mistake because here minus 1 is there, no, so I didn't write, so I can mention it now. So 2 power m minus k minus 1 which is equal to 7. Now this minus 1 will go to that side, means it will become plus 1, so that 2 power m minus k which is equal to 7 plus 1 will become 8, right? So now we can take the prime factorization of 8. It will become 2 power m minus k will be is equal to 2 power 3, because 8 will become 2 cube, and I can compare the powers alone because we know the base is same, so that m minus k which is equal to 3. So m minus 4 which is equal to 3. Therefore minus 4 will go that side, means plus 4. So m is equal to 3 plus 4. So m is equal to 7. Right? So these will become the value of m and k. Right? Thank you.